This 3000 euro NAS has something you won't find anywhere else. An integrated Blu-ray rip drive. What's up everyone, it's Zeno here, and today I'm very excited to unbox the Revolution Storage NAS. A very powerful media hub that's not just for file storage, but comes equipped with a built-in Blu-ray rip drive. We'll set this bad boy up, and trust me, you want to make sure to stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive discount code for anyone that's bold enough to invest in this beast. Okay, let's kick off. The first thing we got is the Revolution Storage NAS, and on top we've got the Player One 8K. The Player One 8K, I did previously a review video on it, and it's a fantastic home media player. I'll leave the link in the description, so you gotta check it out. I also did a comparison video with the Player One 8K, the Xidu Z9X 8K, and the Dune HD Solo 8K. All three of these are fantastic and powerful home media players, but the Player One 8K, in my opinion, came on top. I'll also leave the comparison video link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. So let's address a few important questions that you might have. The first one to me is obviously, do I need to have a Revolution media player to make the Revolution NAS work? Or can it also work with a Xidu media player or a Dune or Nvidia Shield? Well, the answer to that question is no. You do not need an Revolution media player. But of course, it is nicer to have both, but it's not obligated. This will still work if you have an Nvidia Shield at home with the Revolution NAS. You want to access your movie storage through the NAS on your Shield, it's possible. Same goes for Xidu and Dune HD or any other media player. You can also access all data on a computer. The Revolution NAS storage will be added to your network folder. I think those are pretty important things to know before buying it, and to me that's really positive that you can use any player. Also, I get a lot of questions. How do you actually rip a Blu-ray? How do we make use of these media players? Well, that's where the NAS comes in. It's very easy. You have a Blu-ray disc lying around and you want to rip it, you want to put it on a media player. All you have to do with the NAS is open up the Blu-ray disc drive, put in the Blu-ray, close the drive, and it will start the ripping process automatically. That's how easy it is. You don't need to do anything else. It's gonna save it, it's gonna add the covers and everything to it. And I'll demonstrate that in the next video, so you wanna make sure to hit that subscribe button. And by the way, it may be useful to know, this supports DVDs, Blu-rays, and Ultra HD discs. So let's start off by how do you hook up this bad boy? It's very easy. In the box, you'll find the manual, you'll find the power cable, and you'll find the Revolution NAS. You'll first off unpack everything, and you wanna make sure to put on the hard disk drive tray in the left one. Put it in, mount it on, and slide it back in. Then you want to make sure to hook up the power cable and an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable is not included, but you'll most likely have one lying around, and it supports up to GB Ethernet. That being said, go ahead and turn it on. It's automatically going to start the formatting process, and in the meanwhile, you can turn on your Revolution Player One 8K. So according to this manual, you have to enter Explorer on your Revolution media players, and you have to press the option button, scroll down and click on new network folder, and you want to type in Revolution NAS, all capital letters, which I've done right here. And you have to go down, leave type as SMB, and in server you have to write in Revolution NAS again, doesn't need to be capital. And in folder you want to type in video, and user and password you can leave empty, click OK. And you'll have to repeat this process for pictures and music. But what I also found out is that you can click on Network Browser, click on Network Places, wait patiently, and wait for Revolution NAS to appear. Click on it and add all these folders right here. Press the option button, click on Add as Network Folder, remove guest, hit Enter, press OK. Repeat this process for music, pictures, and videos. And that's it. Let's go back and see if it's working. And here you can find videos on Revolution NAS. Let's click on it and you'll enter the folder. So it is working. I just unboxed this bad boy. So next step for me is to transfer some files here and see how it performs. And for now, I want to check out the stats and health of the Revolution NAS. To do so, enter our video, press the option button, go all the way to the right for information, and you can click on stats for Revolution NAS. And there you go, we have 5.4 terabytes available, and the disk is at 100% health, so that's a good sign. Currently, there's no content on it. That's actually the next step to check out how it runs. In your network location, you'll find Revolution NAS. If it's not there, you'll have to turn on network sharing in Windows settings. Double click on it, and here you'll find a few folders. We're gonna double click on videos, movies, and here I'm gonna add one movie to check out how it performs. And I'm gonna choose Independence Day 1996, or shall we go for Deadpool and Wolverine? Let's go ahead for the newer one. Copy it and paste it. So the transfer is getting completed by now, any second. There you go. Let's go ahead and start up the Revolution Player 1 again. In here, you want to press the option button and go to left and click on Start Identification. And it's going to search for new files. And after that is done, I assume the movie is added. So how can we find out? I guess we'll have to search for it. Search for that. So we got Deadpool right here. Let's press OK, and it's going to start up the process of playing. Unfortunately, I've got to blur this part out. But I can tell you it runs instantly, and keep in mind my Revolution Player 1 8K is not connected through Ethernet, only through Wi-Fi. Let's scroll a bit through the movie. And that's scroll number 1. That's scroll number 2. Let's go a bit further in the movie this time. And that's really fast. That's less than a second to me. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, definitely really fast. So Revolution connected through Wi-Fi, NAS connected through Ethernet, no buffering, scrolls immediately, and performs good, just like a $3,000 NAS should perform. So the real question is this $3,000 NAS worth it? Well, it has the integrated Blu-ray rip, and I think the right audience for this is people that have money. Of course, that just want something that's easy to set up. You saw I only plugged these in and it worked instantly. You only need to put the Blu-ray disc in and it will start the ripping process automatically. Someone who has money, someone that wants comfort, someone that loves the home media entertainment system and wants to complete that by this last crown jewel. And just to be clear, yes, you can build your own NAS for a fraction of the cost or buy a cheaper one. But this isn't a fair comparison. This NAS is designed for those who want a plug-and-play solution for their home media setup. It's for those who have enough budget and prefer a hassle-free, high-quality experience. It's definitely geared towards a specific niche. And if you have a Zedu or a Dune or Nvidia Shield, and you also want a NAS like this, well, this works also with that. So you're not obligated to have the Revolution media players. In my next videos, I will definitely show you how to rip these, maybe how to add the network storage to the other media streamers. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like me to demonstrate. And lastly, if you love the Revolution NAS, but you only want to pay 2,800 euro instead of 3,000 euro, then you're in good luck. Because with the promo code Zeno, you'll get an exclusive 200 euro discount. I'll leave the link of their web shop in the description, so you can go ahead and visit it, check out the specifications, and if you want, purchase it for yourself. And that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this video has come to an end. If you found that this video is useful, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.